The DC-driven pump with flow control expands its applications and possibilities. Introducing Nitto Koki's new diaphragm pump, the DVC-0301B. The DVC-0301B is an electromagnetic diaphragm pump with a built-in coil and permanent magnet. When current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field around it. The direction of this field changes with the direction of the current. When powered by AC, the polarity of the electromagnet switches, repeatedly attracting and repelling the permanent magnet. This reciprocating motion drives the diaphragm to generate pressure. Introducing key features of the DVC-0301B. Compatible with DC drive. The DVC-0301B is an electromagnetic diaphragm pump driven by 24 volts DC. A built-in circuit board at the bottom of the unit converts DC into AC, allowing battery-powered operation. Flow control via control voltage. The output control function allows for adjustment of air volume and pressure. The air volume and pressure can be adjusted by varying the control signal voltage from 0.7 to 4.5 volts. There are two models of the DVC-0301B. Y1 for compressor and vacuum pump use, and Y2 for compressor-only use. Please select the model that best suits your application. The DC-driven pump with flow control expands its applications and possibilities. This was Nitto Koki's new diaphragm pump, the DVC-0301B.